Yeah, we got a rechargeable fan. I didn't know it was gonna be this small. Supposed to be able to bend it and move it. I got it for work, so. It give you a decent amount of air though. Can you change the temperature? Oh, you can. Okay. Okay. That's off. 1, 2, 3. Just a fan for work, man. They fans don't work. I drive forklifts, so the fans don't be working. I had to get my own fan. Comes with the charger. You can bend it up, make it grip. Stand it up. Ah, looks like a robot or something. Okay, there we go. Yes, sir. Mealtime reviews. That's another review of the fan, so I do recommend this. I got this off eBay for about $10, so you can't complain. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but hey. Like I say, like, comment, subscribe, man. We on the road to 100 subscribers. That ain't nothing. Y'all can help me out. Holla at your boy, Mealtime Reviews.